Hey guys, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday. I've got actually a really cool winter tip for you for those cold, frozen mornings. So say we're going outside here and we find this. Actually, that's not really what I'm looking for. How about we find this? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now that epic snow day was actually from last year, but that was such a fun day. It gave me the idea though of sharing with you guys a tip, a trick that I use to prevent your car doors from freezing shut. Check out this scene from last year. I actually just love this scene. It kind of cracks me up. Watch this.
Oh, it's frozen.
Kind of bang on it. Bang on it hard, like with your shoulder, like boom.
Just forget my thing.
Yeah. Now open it. Don't break the handle.
I don't.
So yeah, super fun day that was. Love the snow, love the ice. It's so much fun. But then I wanted to share with you guys a little tip, a little trick that I use to keep those doors from freezing shut like that. Now this tip actually starts off in your kitchen. We're gonna grab ourselves some non-stick cooking spray. Why this has masking tape on it, I have no idea. Sometimes when you have kids, you find weird things. Why is there a stuffed animal in the freezer? So if you know you're gonna have a particularly cold night, freezing temperatures overnight, you're just gonna give the weather stripping on your doors a real light coat of this cooking spray. And this will help create a barrier so that ice doesn't fuse your door shut. So there you go, just a super simple trick to help keep your car doors from freezing shut. Thanks for watching and have a good day. If you have a shop tip or a trick or something you do, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear about it. You're just gonna give the... yeah. If you have a shop tip or trick or something you do in your shop, leave a comment in the description below, and I guess it wouldn't be in the description. Leave a comment below.